So the first question is, tell me something about BSM. BSM is actually Bernard Salte Ship Management Company, which is headquartered in Germany and is a part of the Salte Group. It is one of the largest ship management companies of the world, and it has 600 ships under its management. Second question is, how did you get opportunity to appear in BSM? Well, there was a point of time when we thought that no other company is going to visit our campus, and we were really disheartened. But then suddenly, BSM, after a really long time, visited our campus and we got the opportunity to sit in it. The third question is, what was my batch rank and how difficult for me it was to get an opportunity to appear in BSM. Well, before the lockdown happened for coronavirus, my batch rank was 101, and during the lockdown, everyone got the opportunity to appear for supplementary examination, and nearly everyone cleared it. So after the coronavirus lockdown, my batch rank went from 101 to 171, and it was really difficult for me to appear in any interview. But finally, I got an opportunity and I got placed. And the answer for how difficult for me it was, like, it was really very difficult situation because everyone of us thought that no other company is going to visit the campus, and the situation was also not right. Very less companies were visiting, and all those which visited have already taken cadets from our college, and no new company was coming. And for a rank like 171, it was really difficult. But I got one opportunity and I prepared well for it, and I didn't lose hope. That was the only reason. I was waiting and I was preparing, and at last one company came and I got only one chance, and that was it, and I got placed. The next question is selection procedure of BSM. Well, for getting cadetship in BSM, you will have to go through two tests. One will be written, which will comprise of 60 questions, and you will get 60 minutes to answer it. And the written examination will consist of English, technical questions, and reasoning questions. And after you clear it, you will have to go through interview round. And that's all. Just 2 rounds. The next question is, how did I prepare for interview? Well, I mostly focused on my technical part. I studied everything that was in my syllabus, from marine auxiliary to IC engine to boiler, and also I did preparations for electrical machines, and especially I prepared my technical paper and I was ready to give even a presentation on it. So mostly I worked hard on my technical skills, and as far as HR is concerned, I gave mock interviews to my friends who already had got placements, and they helped me a lot. So that's it, technical and HR. The next question is, what questions were asked to me in my interview? So first of all, the interviewer will ask you for your 10th board marks, then 12th board marks, and then your percentage in college. And then he will start with the technical round of interview, in which I was asked many questions. It was like a rapid fire round. Before even completing the answer of the first question, he was giving another questions. So it was kind of a rapid fire. I was asked about the lubrication of main engine, different grades of lubrication oil used. I was asked about turning gear, turbochargers, air compressors, and flying wheel. So yes, that's all. But it was kind of rapid fire, and prepare for cross questions also, because when you give one question answer, then he will be ready to ask another in no time. Also, he asked me about boilers, and about the questions of boilers were of good level. Like, he asked me some difficult questions also, like what will be the test performed in boiler water and what will be the pH of boiler water. So he will ask in deep, he will ask all the technical aspects of the engine. So prepare well for that, because technical round will be kind of difficult. it will comprise of difficult questions. The next is any suggestion for your juniors who are trying to seek placements from college. Well, yes, first of all, I would like to suggest that never lose hope, fight till the end, because companies will keep on coming till the end, and you just need to keep preparing. If you leave your preparation and then think that when some company will come and then I will prepare, so it will be late. Keep on preparing, and whenever a company appears, you will give your 100%. And if you leave it, then I don't think you will qualify for it. Secondly, I would like that work hard on your technical skills, study well, because the interviewer is trying to hire you for a job and he will want you to know everything about it. Not everything, but still, you need your technical skills to be good. So, work hard on your technical skills, and prepare for your HR interview also, because many companies they focus on HR part also. So for that, if your any friend who has got placement, ask him to conduct mock interviews and give it, and try to prepare confidently. Confidence is the key. That's all. Technical skills, confidence, and giving mock interviews. And the most important part is not losing hope, because keep on preparing, companies will come till the last. And if you lose hope and leave your preparation, then you won't succeed. That's all. And at last, Amrit, I would really like you to thank for giving me an opportunity to come here and talk. And I would like to tell you that you are doing really a great job by making such a channel which is really informative. It will be of enormous help to our juniors. Also, it is helping us a lot for different knowledge. So, for our juniors, also, it will be really good. So, thanks for having me and keep up the good work, buddy. Bye.